Welcome to the Vista from Zero to Hero series. In today's episode, we will be discussing monetization. Mobile app monetization is the method through which developers generate revenue from their apps. By implementing a well-thought-out monetization strategy, developers ensure their app's sustainability and success and lay the foundation for business growth. It is particularly significant considering the competitive landscape of the mobile app market, where the ability to drive revenue can mean the difference between an app's survival and a failure. In-app advertising remains a leading strategy for app monetization, and current trends show no signs of its losing momentum. You may be curious about how ads find their way into your app or game. This process is facilitated by an ad network, a platform that serves as an intermediary between publishers and advertisers. In this scenario, publishers represent the apps or games offering available ad placements, while advertisers represent those who are willing to pay for these slots to promote their products or services. Advertisers bid on these spaces, and the ad network's role is to choose the winning bid. The objective of this selection process is to maximize the revenue potential for the publisher, thereby optimizing the overall effectiveness of the app's monetization strategy. In this episode, we will look at the most crucial aspects of the mobile app monetization, including the most prevalent ad formats, key metrics, and the bidding strategies, all of which significantly contribute to revenue generation for developers and the publishers. Let's kick off this exploration by examining the most widely used ad formats. First, let's take a look at the 5 most common ad formats: interstitial ads, banner ads, rewarded ads, native ads, and the splash ads. Interstitial ads appear at specific moments during an app's use, typically at a point where there is a natural pause in user activity. These ads may pop up during game loading screens after a level is completed, or when the user is navigating between different sections of the apps. Displayed in a full-screen format, these ads command high visibility. However, it's worth noting that their intrusive nature can potentially disrupt the user experience if not timed appropriately. Mintibro, for example, offers a variety of styles for interstitial ads, ranging from static images to video-based ads. This diversity allows developers to tailor ads to align with their specific requirements and the context of their app, thereby enhancing both the appeal and the efficacy of the ads. Banner ads, some of the earliest forms of advertising on mobile devices, are elongated rectangular advertisements that typically appear at the top or bottom of an app's UI. They are presented in a compact form, never occupying the entire screen. Due to their relatively small footprint on the app interface, banner ads allow users to discretion to either engage with them or ignore them entirely. While these might lead to lower engagement rates than full-screen ads, banner ads can entice interested users to click and interact with them. Mintibro, for instance, offers an array of banner ad styles, including static images, GIFs, and videos. This variety enables developers to implement banner ads in their apps in a way that aligns with the preference of their target audience and the nature of their app. Rewarded ads are full-screen videos that display at nature breakpoints or follow specific actions within the app. Users can earn in-app rewards such as game coins, items, and special privileges upon viewing these ads. These types of ads enjoy high levels of user engagement since they are often viewed voluntarily. The prospect of earning rewards provides an incentive for users to watch the entire ad. This format doesn't impose obligatory actions on the user but offers an optional and potentially rewarding experience. Here, Mintigro offers a rich assortment of rewarded video ads, including an array of diverse interactive video templates and playable end card templates. This approach empowers developers with a multitude of ads to monetize their app, while simultaneously ensuring that users enjoy a varied and engaging experience. Native ads are a type of advertisement format that assimilates the style and content of the app interface. These ads harmoniously blend into the app's content and don't disrupt the user experience, appearing more like integral parts of the app rather than standalone advertisements. Mintigro also offers a range of native ad styles, including videos and image ads. Such diversity allows publishers to select the most suitable ad style based on their app's context. Splash ads are full-screen advertisements that appear upon launching the app. These ads typically display during the app's initial loading phase, thereby securing high visibility and immediately capturing the user's attention. Because they materialize at the very moment the application is launched, users are likely to take note of splash ads, leading to relatively high ad visibility. Furthermore, these ads may incorporate interactive elements like buttons or motion effects, thus amplifying interactivity. Having an understanding of these ad formats and their interaction with user equips developers and publishers with valuable insights to optimize their monetization strategy. Now, let's look at key metrics. Understanding and optimizing key metrics in mobile ad monetization is crucial for maximizing revenue and enhancing user experience and engagement. In our assessment, ad impressions, eCPM, and LTV are pivotal components that hold substantial sway over advertising revenue. Ad impressions refer to the number of times an ad is displayed to users within a mobile app. More precisely, it quantifies each instance where an ad is successfully loaded and presented to a user in an ad placement. eCPM, or effective cost per mile, is the revenue a publisher or developer earns for every 1,000 ad impressions displayed on their app. It acts as a pivotal tool, enabling developers to assess the effectiveness of their ad monetization. Developers can leverage eCPM to gain insights into the efficiency and performance of ads, guiding them in making more informed decisions for ad monetization and maximizing ad revenue. Furthermore, eCPM can vary based on factors such as ad types, geographical location, ad sizes, and ad placements, underscoring the need to consider multiple variables when comparing and optimizations. LTV, or lifetime value, represents the projected ad revenue that a user can generate throughout their entire usage life cycle within the app. This includes revenue generated from user ad views, ad clicks, and any in-app purchases triggered by ads. An accurate understanding of the LTV of each user or user segment allows app developers to tailor their ad strategies to maximize ad revenue while maintaining a positive user experience. By meticulously monitoring and analyzing these key metrics, developers and publishers can refine their mobile ad monetization strategies, leading to enhanced revenue opportunities and cultivating an engaging user experience. Within the domain of mobile ad monetization, two prevalent strategies come to mind when we discuss programmatic advertising. The waterfall model and in-app bidding. In our quest to optimize revenue, these strategies are commonly referred to as bidding strategies. Now, let's take a look at these two fundamental approaches, waterfall and in-app bidding. A waterfall in advertising is a method of prioritizing ad networks to maximize ad revenue. A publisher, or more commonly a mediation platform, ranks ad networks using estimated cost per mile based on the historical performance of the platforms. If one network isn't performing well or is unable to sell the ad inventory fully, there are backup networks in place to ensure the ad is still getting impressions. The main drawback of the waterfall model resides in its sequential nature. Here, ad networks are approached in a predetermined order. Another challenge of the waterfall model is what is known as the latency problem. Ad requests are sent sequentially to various ad sources. If an earlier ad source fails to respond or return an ad promptly, it induces delays in the whole process. This can result in lower ad fail rates and reduced ad revenue, as developers must account for each ad source's response time, which could ultimately impact the user experience. Due to these limitations of the waterfall model, in-app bidding has gained considerable popularity in recent years. In-app bidding offers a more efficient avenue for maximizing ad revenue for advertisers. Let's take a closer look at how it works. In-app bidding operates on a real-time bidding system that orchestrates ad transactions directly within the app. In this approach, multiple ad buyers, which could be ad networks or advertisers, vie in real-time auctions to secure the privilege to display ads within the app. App developers auction off ad placements to these competing buyers, with the highest bid earning the ad slot. This ascent of in-app bidding is largely due to its facilitation of real-time competition among ad buyers, ensuring that the highest paying ad secures the impression. This process effectively circumvents the inefficiencies and delays inherent in the waterfall model. By adopting in-app bidding, developers can optimize their ad revenue while also offering a more seamless and rewarding user experience. Recognizing the nuances of these bidding strategies and their influence on ad monetization is vital for developers and publishers aiming to maximize their revenue and deliver the best possible user experience. Understanding and implementing these strategies is key to fostering a successful and profitable mobile apps ecosystems.